Hello everyone, the presentation of the design data team created by 4 designers will now begin. Everything around us is now turning into data, not just things like prices or grades that can be written in numbers, but also raw and structured things like sound, driving routes, and even our faces. All of these are being processed into categories and numbers, creating new kinds of value through computers and AI. So, where does design data fit in? We launched this project to unite fragmented, unstructured design data and created value through design quantification and design language. We need to build a design language made by designers for designers. When thinking about who could use it best, we naturally chose design students as our main persona. So our persona in Hong is a student who wants to discover and grow her own designer style. Eunbin told us, it hurts to me clearly explain the design I made, so we found a need for identity. And she told that, am I really good at design? What am I lacking? So we find a need for feedback. And she told that it's difficult to find and analyze good references. So we find a need for analytical skills. To verify these insights, we conducted a survey. After analyzing the results, we discovered the deeper needs behind them. The need for clear criteria for selecting and analyzing designs, the need to express one's identity more clearly, and the need to track growth objectively over time. From these insights, we defined our brand's 3 core values: analyze, inform, and develop. And the key to delivering these 3 values is through the visualization and quantification of visual elements. When we looked for similar services, 2 platforms came to mind: that Pinterest and Behance. But users told us Pinterest feels messy and hard to use, and while Behance feels too heavy and exhibition focused. So we decided to build something in between, a service like a premium Pinterest and a low-pressure Behance that helps users track their design growth. Based on our 3 values: analysis, inform, and development, we created our brand name DYS. It stands for This is Your Style, and our slogan, Discover Your Style, Design Your Story. Our brand's personality is that of a friendly mentor who encourages every designer to grow. And we visualize our 3 core values: define, days, and growth. And after that, we made a logo like this. In branding design set in the system map. Now let's through the wireframes of the complete SaaS platform. On the Upload tab, home screen, users can add an image file for analysis and learn a comparative analysis using a prompts. This screen visualizes detailed analysis results and feedback immediately after processing. This embodies our analyzed value. Next is the Search tab. We designed it. This tab looks like Pinterest, and images are listed by recommendation, and clicking them shows an enlarged view. Similar to advanced search features on Google or YouTube, this provides specialized filters such based on design style. This tab embodies our value: inform. This is the My page. It allows users to quickly check their design style and visually track their change in growth over time. This tab embodies our development value. Next, let's discuss the technical aspects, specifically two major issues we faced. First, the AI needed to accurately recognize design elements, and second, we had to secure or created a design dataset mapping design elements to their intended design meaning. Here is the prototype for AI recognition of design elements. We utilized a vision model API and incorporated RAG with design domain knowledge to ensure highly accurate responses. When an image is input, in this case, we input the image wireframe like this. After a short loading time, it extracts image theme, mood, genre, and quality. In this case, it told us this one's suggestions is um, web design prototype, UI UX test, design feedback, and this one's style is wireframe-like. It also provides user suggestions in recognized elements within the image. In this way, it can analyze various images like posters and photos and translate them into design language. We are continuously refining our data and plan to improve analysis and recommendation accuracy through machine learning. This was the presentation of our team that four designers turned their curiosity into projects that quantifies design and visual language. Thank you.